Hi, I'm Gail at the English Factory. This is a English training video. This is for clearly hearing the sounds of English and learning 10 colors. Ready? Red, 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 red. Oh, not red. Blue, 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 not blue. Yellow, 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 yellow. Oh, not yellow, green, 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 and not green. Purple, 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 not purple. Orange, 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 orange. Oh, not orange. Nice pink. Pink, 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 white, 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 gray, not white, gray, 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 not gray, black, 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 red, big red. Oh, red, orange, yellow, gray, green, green, yellow, black, purple, blue, gray, orange, black, blue, white, white, pink, pink, purple, purple. Say the color. Blue, white, pink, orange, black, green, gray, purple, yellow, red. Now, say the colors and the new word and. Yellow and white. Pink and white. Pink and gray. Blue and gray. Blue and orange. Purple and orange. Purple and green. Black and green. Black and red. Okay. If it's okay, say yes. If it's not okay, fix it. Black. Okay, black. Yellow. Okay, yellow. White. No, not white. What color? Gray. Yes, gray. Yellow. No, not yellow. Orange. Black. What color? Green. Yes, green. Purple. Yes, purple. Orange. No, not orange. Red. White. Yes, white. Purple. No, not purple. Blue. Red. No, not red. Pink. Oh, yellow and red and blue. Orange and black and white. Gray and purple and green. Pink and white and red. Green and purple and blue. Oops. Okay. Black and white and gray. No. What colors? Yellow and red and blue. Orange and pink and red. No. What colors? Orange and black and white. Gray and pink and green. Gray and purple and green. Blue and black and yellow. Pink and white and red. Gray and orange and green. Yeah, green and purple and blue. Yay! You did it! Now go back and do it all again. and then at least 3 more times, because repetition is the key to English speaking skills. And also, a good way to practice is without the sound. You try it without listening to any narration. Good luck. Bye-bye.